Hello, today at Patrick Motorsports we're going to discuss installing our GT2, 3, and 4 inserts to remove and replace the Alcantara inserts from Porsche. We'll be replacing them with leather perforated diamond stitch inserts. To remove the seat inserts, they're just velcroed in. Just start with the backrest, pull at the bottom, carefully pulling the cushion or backrest out. Just Velcro. On the cushion, you'll pull from the back. On the front of the cushion, it's trim lock to the seat frame, so you have to reach under the front of the seat and pull the trim lock off. Like that. And then insert our seat cushions. Put into place. Push the front of the cushion down to go around the edge of the seat frame and begin pressing on the trim lock. Just like that. Backrest insert, start at the bottom, line up your diamonds, and stitch with the cushion. Compress a little bit to fit inside the hole. In.